Okay, today we're here at Hanky's Hot Chicken in the Rolling Hills Plaza, and this is the first time we came here, so we decided to get one of their really hot things, and so I got a chocolate shake too for me to drink afterwards. So we decided to review it too. So let's see how it is. It's very thick. Yeah, it's a pretty good chocolate shake, and this size was $5, which is pretty large. I think this is like a 16 ounce or 20 ounce maybe. It's a nice thick shake. So yeah, you need something to cool your mouth down after you eat one of their hot items. There's different levels of hot. You can get a shake. They have chocolate, vanilla, and I believe strawberry. So yeah. So I'm gonna give this. I'll give it an A. I like shakes, especially chocolate ones. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.